The 2026 Mazda 6 2.5 exemplifies Mazda's commitment to engineering excellence, combining refined performance with sophisticated design. At its core, the vehicle is powered by a 2.5-litre Skyactiv-G four-cylinder engine, which strikes an optimal balance between power output and fuel efficiency. This powertrain ensures a smooth yet responsive driving experience, whether in urban environments or on the open highway. Additionally, the vehicle's exterior aesthetics showcase Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, with fluid contours and aerodynamic enhancements that not only contribute to visual appeal, but also improve overall efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Mazda 6 prioritizes both comfort and technological innovation. High-quality materials, including premium leather and soft-touch surfaces, elevate the interior ambience, creating an environment that rivals luxury-class competitors. The infotainment system is equipped with an intuitive interface, integrating Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Furthermore, ergonomic seating arrangements, combined with ample legroom and noise reduction technology, enhance the overall passenger experience, making long journeys more enjoyable and less fatiguing. From a safety perspective, Mazda continues to uphold rigorous standards by incorporating an array of advanced driver assistance features. Systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking contribute to a heightened sense of security, reducing driver fatigue and mitigating potential collisions. These technological advancements underscore Mazda's dedication to occupant safety while maintaining a pleasurable driving experience. In conclusion, the 2026 Mazda 6 2.5 represents a compelling choice within the mid-size sedan segment, offering a well-rounded combination of performance, luxury, and safety innovations.